My name is Brian Teaff. I'm the wine club's manager, so I manage multiple brands, and I've been here for 6 years. Off-site direct-to-consumer wine sales, that's what I do. That's my specialty with the company. It's doing two things. It's tracking the inventory, where is the wine, and the dollars, where is the money. And none of that happens in a physical way. I can't go touch the wine, I can't touch the money, but on an off-site deal, I got to pair the customers and the wine together and get them their thing. And so Target, that's how I know what I can sell, is I dip into Target and see. You know, at the end of the month, we look in and see about it, wine club signups, where are the customers, what's our customer growth, are we losing customers? We also use it to see which tasting room employees are really excelling, who's signing up a lot, are they on track versus last year? Are we on path to hit our goals? We had an employee who was an analyst who generated an Excel report periodically, weekly ideally, but that didn't always happen. And then it was saved on a common drive or emailed out to everybody. It was not up to date as often as you wanted it. And there were various copies. You didn't know if you were looking at the same inventory report that your colleague was. Hundreds of inventory reports in the common drive, and we don't have that now. My team uses Target, definitely. We have started to give all of the users access. Maybe it's a little bit limited, but they need to be able to use it in their daily work. Again, we're off-site DTC wine sales, and so we need to know what wines to sell, where it is. How we really use it is our inventory is spread out all across California, Oregon, Washington. Lots of warehouses, lots of places to source the wine from, and it makes a difference. When I create an order, we designate which warehouse it's going to be shipped from, right? And then that's how Target helps. Where should I sell my wine from? I'll sell it today from Chalk Hill, tomorrow from Sebastiani. So I can pull from multiple inventories rather than just going and looking, what do I have today here at my winery where I'm sitting at? I can sell wine from the winery down the street. I used to do a lot of Excel work, and we'd create these monthly reports. And at the end of and it would all be by hand, and I could do it, and I could share it with my boss, I could share it with my colleagues. And I also asked my coworkers to create the same reports so that we had common language, right? And it wasn't ever the same. Everybody does their Excel formula a little bit differently. There wasn't any sort of template in there. So what's happened with Target is we have one template, we have one report, and now we're all talking about it in the same way. So my favorite Target story is it's kind of changed the language. We're all talking from the same platform, and it's helped. With Target, I know that I can create a different report. I know that if I want that kind of information, I've got somebody on team who can design it, and we can make business decisions on it. What would I add about Target? Target, we've just barely tapped what I think we can do. I think that there's quite a bit more. It's a very powerful program. The wine industry, our business is lots of different databases, lots of vendors with their own proprietary software. We are still connecting them, and I expect that we are going to continue to do so. Target really is that key piece in the middle right now.